Oh, watch this car. No way. Look at that car coming in. No way, car. Oh, my.
Gonna get hit by the dumpster.
Oh, my. That's nuts.
Good boy! Who would have seen that coming?
Oh, what do you mean I don't have pontoons on this car?
It's gonna get hit by a dumpster.
Yeah. How do you explain that to your insurance company? I was in the road and I got hit by a dumpster.
I refuse to acknowledge that.
Oh,
Look
look.
on his.
Look at this guy going out there getting the dumpster.
Oh, that's nice. I refuse. Oh, the dumpster is full of bullshit. I refuse to acknowledge that the person who owns that car has the last thing that is Polish. I absolutely will not accept that.
Look at that. That's amazing. I ought to be taking a movie too.
I notice he's going out to help the car.
I think that car's on its own because you know what? Those guys have been standing over there flagging people not to go through. I better tell Micho that.